Hello everyone. I know I was on just a little bit ago, but I wanted to share with you some other cards that I made with the Gingerbread and Peppermint Memories and More pack. So I found, I meant to show them to you on the video, but they were in a pile behind me and I didn't see them to remind me. But I have all these that I want to show you. So these are just ideas that you can use to use up some of those pieces that you're going to get in that pack, because you're going to have so many. So let me point you to my work surface so we can show you some of these. Now these are just little note cards. They're actually it's half of the card of the Memories and More. So there's this one. And then we use the Old Olive green cardstock. So this isn't one of the Memories and More cards and envelopes, but it's just cardstock. But it's all the pieces that we used with it. The stickers and the borders and the papers. So here's another one with that crinkle red ribbon. We punched a hole in it and threaded through. Did a die cut for the heart. Here's using that same piece of paper with some punch outs. And that's just on white cardstock. And here's another one. Here's one of those mittens that are cut out with the white baker's twine. Here's another one with the real red cardstock. Here's one with the real red cardstock. Actually, it's just a little piece, but it's the white cardstock, and then we used a border die to make that roughly edge. And we have this one, and that's made with the cinnamon cider cardstock. And then here's one. Here's one. So as you can see, you know, it's limitless. It's whatever your mind can come up with. You can't go wrong. And if you love to bake, here's little note cards that you can include. You know, if you're gonna make a plate of goodies and send it to a friend. This one opens this way. And there's this one. So as you can see, my pile is like huge. Here's another one with a cookie rack. So, you know, this is a lot of cards, as you can see. Can you see all those cards? I mean, it's crazy, and it's just such an affordable kit. And it's fun. It's like I said, you can embellish till your heart content. I just wanted to make sure that you saw all these as well, so that if you order the kit and you when you receive it and you say, oh my goodness, where do I start? You can look back at the video and look at all these cards, watch the replay, and pause it and duplicate it. Go ahead and copy it. There's nothing wrong with that. So, or what's even better is make your own and see how proud you can be of making your own cards. So I just wanted to hop back on and show you those cards as well. And again, here's the case that we made tonight. And it has the 6 cards and envelopes in it. That you can give as a gift or keep it for yourself. So have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.